Good morning or good afternoon. You might be watching this at the afternoon. You might be watching it another time entirely. Who knows? I hope you're all okay and I hope you're having a lovely week. It's not long till we're all back in school together, which is really exciting. And I wonder if you can remember what my assembly was about on Monday. That's right, we read a really good story, didn't we, by David Walliams, because this week on Thursday is World Book Day, and at Wincham, we love a good story. So, it's my favourite. I just get to read stories. It's great. I love it. I love it. I love it. So today, I'm just going to read you a story, and it's really, really cool. So let me find you the one that I am going to read you. Here we go. Dragons Love Tacos by Adam Rubin and illustrated by Daniel Salmieri. Now, who loves a taco? Put your hand up or shout out. Yeah, me too. It's really, really tasty. I love it. And who doesn't love a dragon as well? So let's see about these dragons. And there's the taco cave. Hey, kid, did you know that dragons love tacos? They love beef tacos and chicken tacos. They love really big, gigantic tacos and tiny little baby tacos as well. I can see a lot of dragons around the room here. How many can you see? Have a close look at that picture. There's one here. There's some here and some in the picture. One in the bed. Under the bed, we've even got a castle-themed bed. Dragons on the lampshade, and I've even spotted this book is called Dragons. Wow, obviously somebody who loves dragons. Why do dragons love tacos? Maybe it's the smell from the sizzling pan. Maybe it's the crunch of the crispy tortillas. Maybe it's a secret. Either way, if you want to make friends with dragons, tacos are key. Hey, dragon. Why do you guys love tacos so much? I wonder what the answer is going to be. But wait, as much as dragons love tacos, they hate spicy salsa even more. They hate spicy green salsa and spicy red salsa. They hate spicy chunky salsa and spicy smooth salsa. If the salsa is spicy at all, dragons can't stand it. Who loves salsa on their tacos? Yeah, I do. Really like it. So why do dragons hate spicy salsa? Well, just one drop of hot sauce makes a dragon's ears smoke. Just one single speck of hot pepper makes a dragon snort sparks. Spicy salsa gives dragons the tummy troubles. And when dragons get the tummy troubles, oh boy. So, if you want to make tacos for dragons, keep the toppings mild. Tomatoes? Yes. Lettuce? Yes. Cheese? Yes. Even the dragon has got his thumbs up. These are all good toppings for tacos for dragons. Hey, dragon, how do you feel about spicy taco toppings? He's not looking happy, is he? Dragons love parties. They like costume parties and pool parties. They like big, gigantic parties with accordions and tiny little parties playing charades. Why do dragons love parties? Well, maybe it's the conversation. Maybe it's the dancing. Maybe it's the comforting sound of a good friend's laughter. I really, really, really like to think that if a dragon was going to a party, look at this one, that you'd have a dragon dressed as Dragon Superman and a dragon dressed as a pirate and a dragon dressed as a wizard. I love that idea. It's so cool. The only thing dragons love more than parties or tacos is taco parties. Taco parties are parties with lots of tacos. If you want to have some dragons over for a taco party, you'll need buckets of tacos. Pant loads of tacos. The best way to judge is to get a boat and fill the boat with tacos. That's about how many tacos dragons need for a taco party. Because after all, dragons love tacos. Hey, dragon, are you excited for the big taco party? You see, he's put the date on the calendar and he's circled it to say how excited he is. He's counting down the days. Just remember, dragons hate spicy salsa. Before you host your taco party with dragons, get rid of all the spicy salsa. In fact, bury the spicy salsa in the backyard so the dragons can't find it. Wow, that house is actually full of tacos. Amazing. These dragons love your taco party. They love the music. They love the decorations. They especially love the tacos. Congratulations. You've hosted a really good taco party. It's a good thing you got rid of all that spicy. Wait a second. What are those little green things in the salsa? You didn't read the fine print. Totally mild salsa, now with spicy jalapeno peppers. Oh my goodness. Dragons, listen to me. Don't eat those tacos. Those little green specks in the salsa, those are jalapeno peppers. They're super spicy. I know you love tacos, dragons, but you're not going to love those tacos. Do not let those dragons eat those tacos. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Oh no. What's going to happen? Too late. Oh my word. We've got dragons with very upset tummies. Look what's happened to the house. Children, I really hope that you never, ever, ever feed a dragon spicy salsa. Please tell me you won't. Why would dragons help you rebuild your house? Look at them. They're being so helpful. Maybe they're good Samaritans. Maybe they feel bad for wrecking the house. Maybe they're just in it for the taco breaks. It's good to know that dragons are helpful like that. Because after all, dragons love tacos. And lots and lots and lots of tacos. So the way to a dragon's heart is always through his stomach. There we go. Such a cool story. I love that story. It's really, really nice. I really like the idea that dragons love tacos and they have parties and taco parties. So remember, look after your dragons when they come around for a party by not giving them spicy salsa, but make sure you have a boatload of tacos for them if you are looking after dragons. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the story. I will see you around school soon, guys. Bye-bye.